Welcome to this class. So let us summarize what we learned in last class, right? Just let us summarize, right? So let us see what all the things we have seen in last class, right? So R2 N. So this is what tertiary amine, right? I hope you know how to see whether it is tertiary, primary, secondary, those things. Once you know all those things, see here. So here what we will do, see here, 1 2 3. If 1 3 relation is there, I have told we have to disconnect here only. Why to disconnect? Because this group which I am showing in red color, see here, this group is nothing but manic reaction we can do there, right? So once we disconnect using that, we can easily form R2NH and one formaldehyde HCOH. I have told whether formaldehyde written like this also, sometimes they may give HCHO like this also, sometimes they will go give us H2CO. All those are same only, all these are same only, right? Plus one more reagent what we will get. So this is this one, these all give us these two, and other one will be this one, C double bond O R, and here minus. Instead of minus, I have told we can take the equivalent reagent to be like this. Just add H here, so it becomes CH3. So here it is CH3 now, right? Or sometimes we can use like this compound also, I have told COOET, because this group can be eliminated on heating. First we hydrolysis to convert it into acid, then we heat it so that carbon dioxide will be lost and we will get that, right? So we can convert, so we can use this reagent or we can use this reagent. All these things are the basics which we have studied. Let me take one more example, that also we shall summarize it. So this is this one, R, see here, OH is there, so NH2, and here R, right? Here also see here 1 2 3, these two are the functional group. OH is a functional group and NH2 is a functional group. So numbering I will do to that carbon which contains functional group 1 2 3. So in such case here, this is nothing but primary amine. For tertiary amine, sorry, this is secondary amine. Secondary, no, sorry, it's primary amine, right? Because see, this is primary amine. You know, you should know that. See here, ammonia is a primary amine. RNH2 is also primary amines. Whereas these things R, N, R, and only one H, this is secondary, and this one is tertiary. These things you should know. Secondary amine and this is tertiary amine, right? So if such compound is there, then where we will disconnect? I have told before disconnecting we convert this reduce, we do functional group interconversion, FGI. I have told RCOH, and I will get CH2C triple bond N. Cyanide we do here, right? So functional group interconversion we do. Then we will split here. Why only here? Because this carbons here, after splitting what I will get, that will be acidic. Here directly I have told to write aldehyde, and here C like this, C triple bond N, and here R. So these protons will be there, these are acidic. So if I remove H here, negative charge will come, and here this can easily attack here. Because of that reason we dissociate here only. Where? Here with red arrow I am showing now, right? Here only we dissociate, right? I hope you got it, right? So let us see few more things. If 1,3 diketone is there, see here, 1,3 diketone. What is 1,3 diketone? Both position ketone group only, but 1,3 position. These are called 1,3 diketone. See here, 1 2 3, 1,3 diketone. In such case we dissociate like this only. See here, 1 2, because we'll get these reagent RCO plus, right? And one more will be this one minus, right? So equivalent reagent will be C. We know that the equivalent for this is RCOCl, or sometimes esters also we use OET or OMe, right? So and here this is simply CH3 we can put, or one more reagent I have told COR, here COOET we can put, right? Because this position protons will be there, right? These protons will be acidic. Two protons are there, both protons will be acidic. I hope you are getting it, right? Just I should remove. Yeah, I hope. Yes, you got it. So for this 1,3-diketone, they will undergo reaction. You can write, I hope. If you use base, that base will take this proton. So this negative charge will attack here. Further, this chlorine or ester group, OET group, will leave the system. So this kind of reaction is called as Clison's condensation reaction, right? So 1,3-diketone, they use Claisen condensation reaction. Use the Claisen condensation. These are simple basic things, right? Once you understand all those things, it becomes easy for you to do retrosynthesis, right? So let us see one more example. So this one, R OH is there here, CH2 COOR. So carbonyl always give 1, next 2 and 3, right? Further, how we will dissociate? You will dissociate like this here, because see, R OH, this carbon should get positive charge, because this alcohol can stabilize that positive charge and it can convert it into that aldehyde I have told you. So this is aldehyde. So one more reagent will be like this, COR minus charge. So I have told you can directly put CH3, right? Like this I will get ketone, or one more possibility is this one, COOET, just, right? Both the possibility and both the reaction I have explained. So many examples we have done, right? Now let us see Claisen ester disconnection, right? So let us see few examples of Claisen disconnection, right? So this one is very easy, interesting. So let us see this example. So let me write it 1, and we shall see that NH CH2 double bond N, and here NH2 COO pH, right? So here how can I can split? See here also I can disconnect, and here also I can disconnect, right? So CN disconnection I can do. So what I will get here, pH. When I disconnect here, I'll just write OH here. Other things I'll keep as it is, CO. And here what I'll put, I'll just put OET here. Like this I will disconnect. And other thing above, what happens here, here I'll just place NH2, and here NH, and here NH2, right? So this is different one. I hope you are getting it, right? So further, this one can be rearranged like this here. This is nothing but in all. In means double bond. This is double bond. Let me show it by red marker. See, this is in. All means alcohol group, OH group, right? OH, in all, right? So what it will do? It will do tautomerism like this. That H will attack this negative charge, and we get this product, which I am going to write now. So pH, CO, CH3, H came here, OET here, and double bond O, right? So if I number see 1, 2, 3, right? So it will be 1, 3 relation. So I can split here. See here, disconnect. Split means here disconnect, we should use the name. So next retrosynthesis I can do like this, right? So what I will get, pH I will get CO plus, instead of writing plus I can write Cl, because once these are good living group, once they left the system, there that carbon gets positive charge, right? And here what I will do, I will write OET C double bond O, negative charge. Instead of writing negative charge, I can simply put CH3, or sometimes I can use COOET. Let me use COOET, right? Right, these are the things we will get. If I want to write the reaction, let us see how I can write. So with blue marker I will write the reaction. So last things what I have, CH, pH, COCl I have, and here COET and COOET. This and this both are same only, right? COOET. See, this also I can write like this also. See here, COET, and here COOET, simply. So in presence of base, this proton will be acidic, so base will abstract this proton, so this negative charge will be there on carbon. That carbon will be stabilized, that negative charge will be stabilized by that electron withdrawing group, right? Those things you know. So just simply I will rub it, and just I will put negative charge. so that negative charge will be stabilized. We should write always stabilized structure, but we know all those basics, so I am showing with that electron density only now, right? So pH is there, CO, CH2, COET here, and COOET here. So I will do hydrolysis first, so that ester group will be converted to acid group COH. Second step, I will heat, so one molecule of carbon dioxide will be lost, so I will get this product directly. I'm going to write, because these things I have told. COH here, one H will come, other thing went as carbon dioxide, right? I hope till now you got it. Whether, yeah, COET. If I do same ethanol, if I treat in acidic condition, it is nothing but esterification, so I can end up in getting ester, CH2 COOET. Let's check whether this and this both are same. This one, yeah, both are same. I got till this, I got, right? It's true. Further, I can write this tautomerism form. This hydrogen can tautomerize like this, so O negative, that hydrogen here double bond I'll get. So this tautomerism form, pH OH double bond here COOET. To this, if I add same thing here like this, NH, NH2, NH, and NH2, it will react and I'll get the target molecule back. I hope you got it. Here we call it as product, right? So in this way we can do the reaction. So let us see one more reaction that is also very interesting. You will appreciate it. So just you see, little bit lengthy it is, but we can see that, right? So I am going to do retrosynthesis. So here there are two steps, let us assume. One step, after two step I do retrosynthesis, I get this product. Can you understand how that happened? I hope you will get it. Till this I have explained everything, so you can do it, right? This product will get. So what is this? This here, see, 1 2 3 1 3 dicarbonyl is there, 1 3 relation, right? I explained about diketone, same thing here, dicarbonyl 1 3 relation. So I can, where I can see here like this, I can disconnect, right? So further disconnection, I'll get this thing, minus charge here, plus COPH, plus charge here. Instead of writing sorry, here plus charge I should show, right? So plus charge here, so instead of writing plus I can write chlorine also, right? So let us see the reaction. I hope how this happened you got it. These two steps you will understand when I write this reaction. So this is the reaction. So what I am doing, first I will take this ketone, right? Simply here, instead of writing negative charge, you can put one hydrogen and you can neutralize that negative charge, that is, I mean, you can remove. To this I will add this compound, see, marpulin I am going to add. Why I am going to add marpulin? This reaction you should know, enamine reactions, right? So what happens, this will react like this. Let me write the mechanism for enamine reaction so that it will be clear for you. So what happens, it becomes OH, it becomes N, other things as it is. So this is marpulin. Little things you can put, all 6 membered ring it should form. See, 4 carbon, 1 nitrogen and 1 oxygen. I hope you are getting it, right? These are the 4 carbons. Further what happens, it has got lone pair, it will give here, this will go as OH minus. Here water will be there in the surrounding, like it will take the proton and it will go as water. So here we will get like this N, this is marpulin, and nitrogen gets positive charge. So nitrogen is a electronegative atom, it can't have positive charge. So what it will do, it will take this proton will go as H plus and it takes its back its electron density. So this is nothing but enamine will get, enamine. I hope what is enamine you will understand, right? Again it got its lone pair back and here it is oxygen. So en means double bond, amine means amine group is there. See here, let me show it by red ink. This is amine group. So ene amine we call it as. Ene means double bond. See here, this double bond. Right, I hope you got it. Right, so next let us continue. So enamine reaction. So how we are going to synthesize that target molecule? We go through enamine reaction, right? So we found enamine. See, so here I took this ketone. See here, this ketone I took and I added morpholin to form enamine. Further I should add this one. So I will add this one, CO pH. I told instead of writing plus I can write Cl here, right? Just I will add. So enamine reaction, you know, this will go and this will react to this and this chlorine will leave the system. Simple enamine reaction, right? These things you know. So I will write that thing. Here nitrogen is there, right? Here oxygen, and from this it has reacted to carbonyl and again pH group. I got this one, right? And here nitrogen has given its lone pair here. Resonance, I have drawn it wrongly. Just nitrogen should get positive charge, right? I hope you got it. Next we will do hydrolysis. Hydrolysis, if we do, this bond will be broken. It gets hydrogen and here it will give oxygen. So what it will give is this product. This is simple enamine reaction. This thing we will get. I hope. See here, this thing we got it. This and this both are same. Further, two steps are there to get this one. I need to get this one, right? So what to get that? What we will do? It's interesting. See, you can just see here. I hope till now, till this, you got it, right? Yeah, everything I have done correctly. Yeah. Further, what I will do, just to that I will add pH, CH2, NH2. Right. So here oxygen is there, that will react this nitrogen, go and attacks this carbon and it will remove that oxygen. I can write directly the product like this. Double bond N CH2 pH. Right. I hope you got it. Right. If to this if I add hydrogen catalyzed reaction, if I do, that is reduction if I do, right, H2 in presence of catalyst if I do, I'll get this product. I can rearrange and I will write like this. You should not get confused. pH C double bond O. Same thing. This I have kept same, right? Same thing. Here double bond N was there, right? Single bond NH. So here I am adding hydrogen catalyst, right? So this ketone group also will be reduced to alcohol. See here like this OH it will get. Single bond it is, and here also double bond was there, single bond, here H it will get CH2 pH. I hope you got it, how I got that, right? Further what I will do, just dehydration I can do, right? So what happens is that, see here, I'll get this thing. Further step I will get this thing. So here I'll get pH and here OH and here NH and here CH2 pH. Same thing I wrote, sorry. See here, just I will do, remove these things, I'll just add NH2 it is, right? One H is above, let me draw it, NH2. I hope you got it. Further what it will do, dehydration I can do. So dehydration means water I will remove. This H and this OH minus will be removed and I will get this product. Double bond here and other things as it is, and here NH2, right? To this I will add this thing. See here, 1 2 3, 3 carbon is there, bromine. What are these? 1 2 3, 1,3 dibromo propane, that I will add. What it will do, simple SN2 reaction. First it will attack here, I'll get this product. See here, this is easy, you can understand. So N, 1H is there, 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon and Br is there. Further again SN2 reaction. So Br goes as minus HBr. So I'll get the target molecule, that is this one. Right, 4-membered ring. So this was my target molecule. I hope you got it. Right, same. And the name of this is tazadolin, which we synthesized. Right, so we started with this. See here, I will show with the marker here. See here, we started with this, right? And we got that same thing, right? So in next class, let us see few more basics which we have discussed. Just we summarize that, and we shall end this chapter. Till then, take care.